Hello, Adelina here. Welcome to Draw for Sparkle. This is my first official drawing tutorial, so I hope you like it, and let's get started. Draw a little curve line, like that. And go across, about right here, maybe. And we'll do the same. And then I'm going to keep going with both. And then I'm going to give myself a point. A little bit. And then we're going to do the eyes. So I'm just going to give myself a big circle right here. And another one right here. A little bit bigger, but it'll look the same. And then we're going to do two little circles for highlights. This is how I like to draw eyes. And a little curve line at the bottom. And then we're just going to shade in the top. And then once you finish that, you just have these little lines at the bottom. And then same on the other side. Two circles, curve line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And then curve, and then your little line at the bottom. Alright, so now we're just going to bring this up a little bit higher. And then we're going to give her lashes. Give this girl lashes. So 2 lashes. Same on the other side. 1, 2. And then she needs a brow, right? I mean, every girl needs an eyebrow. They're part of your body. And then we're just going to draw a soft little brow. Same on the other side. Oops. It will look. And then we give this girl a little bit smile. And then we're going to give about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. And then we're going to make this come down. Like that. Kind of connect it to around there. Looks pretty funny right now, doesn't it? And then up here, I'm going to give myself another point. Maybe draw a little parting line. Give me some parting. Don't worry, you won't see it. And then go a little bit higher, like here. Oh, sorry, I totally forgot. We need the ears, right? Do a little slight curve. Same on the other side. Good, and then add some details, because this girl's going to be wearing earrings. You want to go back up. And then we're just do some lines, kind of wave it a little bit, curve it down, and kind of tuck it in like that. And then this side, you're just going to kind of do the same, like that, basically. So now, before we finish that, I'm going to go ahead and do the body, because body takes a little bit longer. I just got to move my camera down. So she's just going to be wearing like a cut-off long sleeve shirt and some jean shorts, just to simplify. It's always super hard in finding out what to wear. These girls wear. So, a little neck, like that. And I'm going to bring it out and kind of curve it down for her shoulders. I mean, if you don't need shoulders, I mean, of course you need it. And then I'm going to do give myself a point. Oh, and we need a neck color. So, a point. And then from there, I'm going to do 2 simple angle lines. So you just kind of make a little off-center line, like that. Maybe just a little bit more. Like that, go down a little bit more. Bring it down a little bit more. And then, of course, you need to take opposite. We're just going to do a little curved line to show that it's kind of ripped off a little bit. And then we're going to go down and do the rest. So here we go. And then you can give yourself a little belly button if you want. Then these will be your shorts. So you do like almost like a little ankle line again. And then from there you have it and you draw 2 little angle lines down. Except this is a little bit more like, I don't know, tried now. Kind of like an those greater signs. And then you're gonna kind of go right here and bring it down like this. Simple line. Bring it down a little bit more, and then you're just gonna kind of connect it so it's equal. And then we're gonna give this girl some pockets. Just kind of a little, almost like curved line in there. That. And then now we're going to go ahead and do her legs. So you just kind of continue with this, like a little bit more slightly angled. Go over here. And then about there, we're gonna go out. Go out, and then we're gonna do like almost like a little point and up. Kind of flare it out, and then do a point. It's gonna be a little bit in. And then we're just, I had a really hard time deciding what shoes we're gonna wear. But since this girl is going to be holding a drink, we're just gonna kind of give her some easy flip-flops. So you do a little curved line in, and then another one. And then from there, you go a straight line, like that. Give the bottom some like texture. And give her, and if you want, you can add some little kind of toesies. And then same on the other side. Curve lines, straight down, little toesies, some little toes. And then we're gonna go up a little bit. And if you want, you can just add a little like rip in the jeans. A little bit more texture, maybe another one up here. There we go. And then we're just gonna do a little heart right here. Just so there's something on the shirt. It's just nice and nice. And then we're going to do her arms. So one arm is going to be go down, and we're just gonna basically take it down. And we're gonna do a little lollipop in a bag. So let's start with this arm first, actually. And then we're just gonna do another little line, like that, right next to it. And then copy that up, like this. And you bring this line down, and then you just kind of tuck it in. And then you tuck it in to make your purse. And then this arm, we're just gonna kind of flare out more. Keep it on. And then this arm is just gonna be holding a little lollipop because this is like a teenage chilling girl. So we're gonna, and then we're gonna, so do your little hands, and then you do a straight line like that. So, and then you just tuck in a little thumb, like that. And like connect it like that. That makes sense, kind of. Maybe, yeah, you just kind of tuck it up. That's not actually this. But yeah, and then you do a little circle for the little puppet. And that is it for that arm, I think. Maybe just next time, just don't do it like that far. Alright, now, actually, why don't we give her detail up here. So for this one, we're just gonna kind of do some earrings. Just a little simple earrings lying down in a little circle. And then now we can finish her other arm. Oh, and we also need to do these little cuffs. I don't know if I mentioned right here. To show that her shirt does end eventually. Because it just kind of goes down. And then this side, we're just gonna keep going down. Right there, I'm gonna do a straight line down like that for her elbow. Maybe a little, just so that's kind of like touching, kind of like that. Maybe give it some texture. And then you go up, give her thumb. That's how you do her thumb. And then a rectangle-ish thing. Maybe flare it out. And then do the top. Oh, yeah. Do like this little top. Maybe give it a little hole right there. And then we're going to do a straw. And if you want, you can maybe do a little circle. And because I'm using a Sharpie, I don't want to mess that up. And I'll fill that in with like a little star thingamajig when I'm finished, because I don't want to mess it up, like with the Sharpie. And then you add some little tiny fingers. And I think that is pretty much it. Oh no, I totally forgot to do. I can't believe I almost forgot to do her top. So now, for this one, her hair is going to be tied up in like a little scrunchie. So we're just going to do a short little, like, almost like a little, humps on her back. And that's going to be her scrunchie. And then from there, we're going to do a big circle for her bun. And then add some little strands of hair. And then we can just fill that in. Kind of like that. That's somewhat what you want. And then you just add a little, flower here to give it, you don't have to, it's just kind of like a little extra thing to add. And then, oh yeah, I almost forgot. We need her little star thing. So I'm not the best at drawing stars yet, but this is a excuse me. This is a draw with a sparkle. So we are going to add a little star like this. Kind of like that. Yes, I hope this inspires you to do your own draw with a sparkle girl.